Next is the Cloud Service function. Click Settings first. To find Cloud Service, to sign in or register. If you don't have a Cloud Service account before, you need to register first. Click Register. There are two ways to register. The first is to register with your cell phone number, and the second is with your email address. Once you have registered, you can log into your account. Click Login. After logging in, you will enter the cloud drive, where the password can be changed. Click Change the password. There are two ways to change the password. The first is by entering your old password. If you don't remember the old password, change it by your cell phone number. The remaining unused capacity of the cloud drive memory is displayed, too. You can also empty the cloud drive and view the pictures in the cloud album. Click Cloud Gallery. To view it or delete it,